To reset your Fifth Third Bank password, it is essential to follow the correct steps to avoid common issues. First, ensure you have the required information, including your username and social security number or tax identification number. Begin by going to the Fifth Third Bank website and clicking on the Login button. Then select the Forgot Password option. Enter your username and social security number or tax identification number, and click Next. You will be prompted to answer security questions, which you set up when you created your account. If you encounter an issue during the password reset process, it may be due to incorrect information. Double-check that you have entered your username and social security number or tax identification number correctly. Also, ensure that your security questions are answered correctly, as a single mistake can prevent you from resetting your password. Another common issue is account lockout. If you enter incorrect information multiple times, your account may be locked for security reasons. In this case, you will need to contact Fifth Third Bank customer service to reset your password. They will guide you through the process and help you regain access to your account. To avoid common issues with Fifth Third Bank password reset, it is crucial to keep your account information up to date and ensure that you have access to the email address or phone number associated with your account. This will enable you to receive password reset links or codes and complete the process successfully. Additionally, make sure to use a strong and unique password for your Fifth Third Bank account. Avoid using easily guessable information, such as your name or birth date, and opt for a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access and reduce the risk of password reset issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can avoid common issues with Fifth Third Bank password reset and ensure secure access to your account. If you encounter any problems during the process, do not hesitate to contact Fifth Third Bank customer service for assistance.